My name is Favour, the founder of Talent Brand. I've been working with DiscoverChange for nearly 2 years now, if not over, and I've had an amazing time working with DiscoverChange. The most important thing for me with working with DiscoverChange is that they are able to work with you, understanding your business, understanding the value you're looking to give to the people. So they've helped me to understand my objective, the value I want to give to the people, not just what I'm looking to achieve, but what I'm looking to give to the customer. Because the more when you give a good value, you get it back. The more you try to help people, the more your needs are being met. That is one good thing that they've been able to help me to achieve in my business. They've been able to help me with a digitalization in the area of my online courses, especially working with Head has done a great job in helping me to set up my affiliate program. This was a big issue for me, and apart from that, I didn't know all these things were available, that I could benefit from all these digital affiliations. And they've Ed has helped me to set up this. Normally it will have taken like days or even months, but under few minutes this was set up. I was also able to set up my own online training program as well, and it's been amazing. They've added great value to my business. They've added great value to myself as well. I've been able to learn a lot from working with DiscoverChange. Thank you.